So we're in Spanish Town on the delivery trail. Didn't get a permission. I have a package for
Okay.
you.
That's fine.
That's fine?
Thank you.
Need your ID. Ah, guess what?
Oh.
I know you're busy. Super busy. That's why I have to meet you in the street, right?
Yes.
Work
I
just
just
finished.
got off from work.
Okay.
Can you just hold?
No, I'll hold this for you and let you get that. So how are you though?
I'm doing well.
Why it appears if you're a first time customer? First time. You are.
I was a bit apprehensive. I'm trying to switch from my current shipper, and you guys are.
So you've
efficient.
successfully switched then?
Yes, I have.
You like it?
I like it.
You love that I meet you in the middle of the town?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't be bothered, man.
Oh, okay.
Like
So what you like about us so far though?
the ease with which I can ship with you guys, and
Uh-huh.
the fact that you guys also give me discounts, even though I'm a new customer.
Oh, you like the discounts?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? I have more discounts for you. Check this out. Now, on this card, this is a referral card. So you're gonna write your mailbox number right here. Your mailbox number, you're gonna write
And
it
if
right
the person
here.
uses it, I get my discount.
Oh yeah.
Awesome sauce.
Isn't that money?
It's not bad.
You like the money, right? Ain't no money like free money.
Ain't no money like free money.
Okay. So you're rushing home.
Yes, I am.
All right. So it's a good thing I called you when I called you, right? It's a good thing I called you when I called you.
Yes, because I was in the process of going home. Because I wasn't sure if I should switch to my work address.
Okay.
Because I leave work at 4:30 on a Friday.
Right.
And I know that normally deliveries are done before 5.
Before, right.
So I wasn't sure if you guys were going to get to me there. But I didn't want to switch it to work, and then you guys went to work, and then I'm not.
And then you're not there. Well, we're flexible. Just give me a call. You got my number.
Yes, I do.
So here we have it. Brand new customer, and she loving us. We're loving her as well. And she's gonna make reference to her friends and family, right? Have a wonderful weekend. All right, good. We are on the delivery trail again. We're in the middle of Spanish Town. Spanish Town is a blast. It's Friday. Yes, party. There you go, on the delivery trail.